Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, one statement that can be said and is 100% correct is BNB chain was definitely ruling the entire crypto market in the last 24 hours. And there's two ways to see this. First of all, the BNB chain has seen an explosive growth in terms of how much money was flowing through it. And that can be seen by the BNB chain coin that was up about 10% just in the last 24 hours and is up about 20% in the last week. And another thing that went explosive was PancakeSwap. If you do not know, this is the DEX, which is the largest DEX for the BNB chain, and this can clearly suggest only one thing: there is a lot of people which are playing around with the meme coins on the BNB chain. Another thing that's very exciting is if you pay attention to the BNB chain, it's showing a really good return in terms of it was able to take over Solana in terms of market cap and now is headed for the USDT. On the other end, COINBASE derivatives to launch on Solana features very soon. Here are potential timelines for Dogecoin to soar 5,000% to $13. Donald Trump Jr. follows a Ripple on X. Is something massive underway for XRP? Now, this is not the official Donald Trump account, it's actually Donald Trump Jr. And South Korea to allow institutions to sell crypto donations in 2025. There's a lot to cover today. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit. Let me tell you one thing. Right now, the crypto market is definitely gearing up for something big, because if you just pay attention to BNB, what's really interesting about BNB is how well it's been doing just from the last 7 days. It's up about 20 to 30%, so that's an incredible jump, but that's due to the fact that a lot of people are expecting BNB to do even bigger numbers as comparatively, because it was expected to do incredibly well as when Bitcoin went into, the winter phase. While BNB was still able to hold its price very well, close to $200. It did actually not fall down all the way down to like $6 or $5. $200 was much better holding price as compared to what Solana did, where Solana was falling down all the way to like $30, $20. So BNB chain has been around for a long period of time and it has grown into a very big trust. So now there is a lot of people which are expecting BNB to do incredibly well. Now on the other end, if you look at Dogecoin, what is the chain that Dogecoin is built on? Well, it's very clear. It's built on the BNB chain. Now BNB chain is huge and there is more to happen. But one thing that is going to be forming a lot of hype around Dogecoin is the fact that right now there are so many meme coins which are blowing up on BNB. A lot of people are going to be making a lot of profit. When that profit taking takes place, there will be some coin that will receive majority of the money. And what coin will that be? The largest meme coin. And which one is that? Dogecoin. And is Dogecoin underperforming in terms of how well it's done this bull market? It's very clear. Yes, it's very underperforming, and that's why a lot is expected, just like what BNB did. Dogecoin price is up about 4%. Elon Musk's involvement draws crypto market attention. Analyst projections suggest bullish outcome or targets to 65 cents, and Doge rebounds from Fibonacci support, hinting at a potential breakout. Now, this breakout can be very explosive, and if we see a breakout all the way to $13, that's definitely going to be making a lot of people blow up, in a sense that they're going to be extremely happy. But let me tell you, several entities such as Changelly, Telegram are optimistic about the Dogecoin's potential surge to $13, each outlining different timeline regarding when Doge will hit this target. Now let me tell you one thing, $13 seems really far-fetched. If you just look at the circulating supply, it will tell you that $13 would put the market cap about 1.5 trillion just under Bitcoin. So it just seems a little bit unreasonable or unpredictable. Now, I'm very optimistic about the Dogecoin price, don't get me wrong, and I personally feel like it has so much potential, but I like to be a little bit more realistic, so it's much easier for you to like make a decision in terms of what it can be doing. On the other end, Donald Trump Jr. follows Ripple on X. Is something massive on the way? I mean, it looks like it. The way X is I mean, XRP is actually gaining so much traction in different parts of the world, there is definitely more things going to happen. And even though Bitcoin is still holding close to 96,000, you can see that the fear to the grid index is gone up to 40. This is huge because 40 means from yesterday 35 to 40 there is more inflow of cash which is happening on the back end. Talking about Dogecoin overall, it's still holding very close to the same price, close to 25 cents, and the open interest is sitting at about 1.3 million or billion. Bitcoin momentum has shifted, signaling a possible trend reversal, and this trend reversal could be the way for the entire crypto market to see another explosive bull run going forward. And if this symmetrical triangle holds, XRP has broken out of this, is targeting $15. That's huge. Now that's a 5x from where we're sitting right now, and the chances of that happening in a short period of time would be a little bit harder. And the most important resistance level for Bitcoin is 97,500. However, the support below 92,000 is weak, as there's a gap between 90 and 70, as there is not much that was actually purchased around that time, and there was not much consolidation. It was just a run up that was done by majority of the whales. So seeing a really strong pullback if we fall below 92,000 would not actually crazily surprise me. An expert shares crucial matrix necessary for Dogecoin rally, and with one already in play. Now the big one is Dogecoin on-chain activity holds steady. That's good, and likely target upon uptrend resumption. We need to make sure that we don't fall short to some really big whales. I mean, if we do fall out of this trend line, that can actually push us even down. And US extradition trade, Russian crypto fraudster swapped for US detainee. Now the US Alexander, a convicted crypto money launderer in exchange for Mark Vinnick, linked to BTE billions in transaction, was awaiting sentencing in the US, and the Trump administration calls the deal fair, citizen effort to build diplomatic trust with Russia. So pretty much trying to get two people to be a little bit free. And US crypto exchange Coinbase eyes India comeback. I mean, they want to make a return, so they're able to expand into a bigger country. And Dogecoin shows signs of potential recovery amid stabilizing on-chain activity and key levels or key price levels that are being hit. Right now, the entire market is just waiting for the way entire Bitcoin is going to be doing very soon. If Bitcoin is able to make an explosive return, well, there is a lot that's going to happen. Right now, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance has come down to the lowest point it's been in the last 4 years, and it's sitting just under 60%. So there's more to come, and definitely Bitcoin's going to try to climb. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Nothing I said here is financial advice. It's all pretty much just my personal opinion. So do your own research before you use your money. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.